This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Lori's Heck. Enjoy serene lake views from your 2-bedroom condo with an open floor plan, great for entertaining. Black granite and white cabinetry pair beautifully for this large open kitchen to your great room. Updated stone hearth fireplace with floating rough hewn beam mantle has a matching stone wall in the kitchen. The fireplace is wired for a flat-screen TV and the condo has built-in speakers. Kitchen has ample cabinetry and nice pantry. The laundry is off of the kitchen and includes front-load washer and dryer. Spacious master with adjoining master bath. Second bedroom with large walk-in closet. Enjoy great views from the second-story balcony. The retreat is conveniently located with easy access to I-465 and all Carmel has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori's Heck at 317-446-1895.